Hello, my name is Đức. I'm from Group 5, and I will presentation about Chapter 11, Command Line Master Class Part 1. Our group will have Đặng Trường Trần Hiếu Nhân, Võ Hồng Đức, Imi, and Hoàng Công Chi Dũng. First, what is Command Line? Uh, The command line, also called the window command line, window console, command screen, or text interface, is a user interface navigates using command at remote instead of using a mouse. Um, when this is the basic introduce about a command line and what is command line. Um, okay, I will show you what the command line look like on the window. And here is the command line command prompt in the window. And in Linux, this you will like this. Just 1 second. So here is the command line on the Linux. They will kind of like the command window, but you can see some different little about it. This is on Linux. And so why we need to why we use the command line. So first of all moving from the GUI or graphic user interface to the command line is a hard choice nowadays when GUI is more and more modern, properly designed, and operating system to can do everything through a graphic user interface. Especially when changed to command line, the user will completely abandon all the advance of the UI I have talked about, and so it not usually not usually easy for the new when you command line. So not quite wrong when some Linux user like to focus on the graphic environment that are available and rushing to tell the new user that the command line isn't vital when using Linux. But avoiding the command line is a bad choice. The the bad choice when it will limit your option and make some tasks more difficult to you. So to prove that, I will give you some reason for using the command line and help you know how good when using command line. First of all, you when you want you when you use the command line, you will want to chain together to all more common, and the command line that will easy help you do that. Chaining together two or more command or piping is what gives the cell is really power. Hundreds of commands are available, and by combining them in different ways, you can get ton of new options that CUI cannot do. Next is you want to use a command or parameter available only on the cell. Although some of the cell commands are available through the GUI, but the command usually have only a small subset of their parameter available, which limit what you can do with them. And next is you can working on text only system. Right, working from a text only system is useful both for working locally with a broken GUI and for connecting to a remote text only system. If your Linux server is experiencing problem, the last thing you want to do is loading it down with a UI connection. Working in tech mode is faster and more efficient than when you use um, your mouse on GUI to click here, and do everything by click. Uh, and you have to use it for a long time and feel comfortable there. Here, many people use the cell simply because it is familiar to them. Some people even use the cell to start GUI application just because it saves them taking their hand off the keyboard for a moment. This is not a bad thing. It provides fluency and ease with the system and is a perfectly a valid way of working. Working from the command line is faster, the mouse is slow, and take your finger away from the keyboard, make your work even slower. So when you work in command line, the shortcut I think will shorter than when you use the mouse to move and wait your time on some task similar like that. And the last thing is you want to automate a task. Knowing how to work in the cell is also essential if you want to automate tasks on your system without using of the UI. Whether you want to add a periodic task to cron or update a configuration management system, you need to know what tag command to give to run program from the command line. So that is all the reason I can give you to help you make your mind why we should use the command line. Uh, then here I will give you some the compare about GUI and command line interface. In here you can see the first is of you. In GUI, intuitive and easy for beginner. You icon button S. So it will easy to understand for the beginner, but in command line interface, they will require a memorization of command. Uh, it will make the beginner have a lot of time to fluent it and memory all the command. More challenge for the novice. It's kind of hard for the beginner. And the net is speed and efficiency. In GOS, they will slower for repetitive tasks, rely on mouse click and menu. That I have talked to you viewers. In command line interface, they will faster for repetitive tasks. Command can be executed quickly on your by by your type the keyboard. Uh, Next is system research use. In GUI, use small system research like RAM, CPU, S for the visuals. But in a command line interface, where you lightweight, minimal resource user since it only text based, so it not there need to you editing to like more to display the GUI like graphic user interface. Uh, Net is power and flexibility. In GUI limit, they will limit to the option present in the interface. Uh, because the um GUI open source like command line interface. Not like that. Sorry, not wrong. Just limit to the option present in the interface. In command line interface, like the power and flexibility offer full control over the system with a better. So as you can see, the command line is quite of flexibility than GUI. In GUI, learning curve. Gently learning curve can explore better through interface. In command line interface, stepper learning curve require understand syntax and command. And the last is automation. Thì automation in graphic user way will limit the automation capability. But in command line interface, I have already told the real idea for automation through script and uh, command chain, command chain, command chain. So that is all about my presentation about introduce the command line and give you and help you know why we use the command line then GUI. And thank you for watching. That's all.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Khang, and today I will present about uh, basic comment in chapters 11. Let's get started. So first, let me introduce about the basic comment. The role of basic comment in Linux is the basic comment in Linux form the foundation of system interaction through the command line interface or you can run it in CLI. Unlike the graphical user interface GUI, where tasks are performed using visual icons and menus, the CLI relies entirely on text commands, giving user deeper control over system behavior. This this control is especially valuable for system administration, developer, and power users who need efficiency and precision. Um, Using these commands allow you to navigate the file system, manage file and directories, configure system setting, automate tasks. Mastering them is crucial for gaining proficiency in Linux, as many complex operations in Linux are built upon these simple commands. The advantage of learning basic command is first the efficiency. So once you become familiar with the syntax, basic commands allow you to complete tasks much faster than using a GIU, especially when working with macro files or directories. Automation. Basic commands are the building blocks of scripting and automation in Linux. By stringing together simple commands, you can create powerful scripts that automate repetitive tasks, saving you many times and reducing human error. Consistency, that is when you know how to use these basic commands. The CLI works consistently across different Linux distributions, meaning that mastering these commands makes you more versatile across various systems. So let's get started with CAT command. So we will talk about three important things: is the purpose and the benefit, and some example, or you can call the demo of it. So the cat command is short of concatenate and used to read and merge files. It's one of the most commonly used command in Linux due to its versatility in displaying files content, combining files, and creating new files by outputting the content to up all the files into them. So there are three important benefits of the CAT, or you can call it cat command. Is the first one is the view file contents. So the cat allows you to quickly view the content of a file without opening it in a editor. This is particularly useful when you need to check log or configuration files to combine multiple files. So the cat can you consonate consonate several files into one. This is useful in scenario when you need to merge logs, data text, or text file into a single document. The last thing is you can create new files. You can use the cat to create new files from existing one, so you can make it simpler method to generate combine output from multiple sources. This user example of it. So in this one, it will display the content of the files in the terminal. In this one, we'll merge files 1.txt and file 2.txt into a new file called combine.txt. Let me show you the demo. So I show you the demos. First, we will create two simple files text file using the echo. This is files 1. File 1.txt is name. So let's make this is file 2. File 2.txt. So let's use the cat.txt. So you can see content of the files is this is file 1. Let I just create before, and cat file 2. So this is file 2, the content of the file 2.txt that I create before. Let's consonate them. So we merge these two files, and let's see. I merged these two files to combine.txt. Notice the output you can see. So next, let's go to the cd command. So the purpose of it is the cd is short for change directory, is used to navigate between directory in the files system. This is one of the most fundamental command in Linux and frequently used during virtuality and any task performed in the terminal. And the benefit of it is the efficient of navigation. Using cd allows you to quickly move through the directory structure. Instead of clicking through a file explorer, you can move directly to any directory files by specifying its path. Another benefit is you can use it for shortcut to quick navigation. CD support shortcuts like two point to move up one directory level and to go directly to your home directory, making them easier to jump between different areas of the file system. And some usage example of it are cd home user document. So this code is This command is for change the current working directory to home user document, and the cd and 2 point is move up one level to the parent directory, and this is to return the home directory. Let's see the demo. Yes. Okay. Let's navigate to a directory like this. And cd demo directory. So you can see we start in our home directory to create a new folder, and so let's use this one. Just show the directory of the files, and let's back to the parent directory by cd and 2 point. So we're back to the Khan's Ubuntu, the parent directory. It's pretty easy to use, even though you don't know anything. Let's go to chmod common. I see in the YouTube channel is called this chmod, but now I will call it chmod. You can call it change mode. It's used for modify files directory permission in Linux. Dictate who can read, write, and execute files. To proper permission setting are vital, maintaining system security and data integrity. The benefit is there are two benefits of it is security management. So when you're using change mode, you can restrict access to sensitive files or directory, the ensuring that only authorized user can modify or execute them. Or you can use custom permission setting. Is you can fine-tune access control, allowing different user or group to have different levels of access to files and directory. This flexibility is essential for multi-user system. And let's go to it, the purpose. So you can see the change mode 755 script.ha. It means you set read, write, and execute permission to the owner, and read and execute permission to for the group and all the RX. And this one is change mode U plus X and GW files.txt, though you can add execute permission for owner and remove file permission for the group. And let's see the demo. First I will create files. So a script.a sh. Oh, sorry. slash hash. So let's continue this one. Let's echo, continue to echo run script. Okay, let's save to script .hh, and then use check the file's current permission. We check the file's current permissions .h. You can see this, and next let's go to add the permission to allow the script to run, because at the moment we cannot run this one. Go to chmod. So now let's run the script. Okay, so we can running the script is the content of the script that we create before, so we perfectly complete this one. So next let's change to the cp command. So the purpose of the cp command is used to copy files. The cp stands for copy files and directory from one location to another. It supports copying individual files and multiple files or entire directory structure. So the benefit of it is files duplication. So the cp allow you or us to quickly create backups or duplicate our important files. It is useful when making change to a file but wanting to preserve the original version. The directory backup, so you can copy entire directory to different location for backup purpose. Entering your data is safe. So let's move to the purpose. So the cp file txt/backup/ is copy the file txt into the backup directory, and you can see the comment right here with the cp r/source/destination. So you can recursively copy the entire /source/directory into the /destination directory. So let's have a demo. So let's demo this one. Okay, first we will set up a test directory equal sample test. So directory /files1.txt. Okay, now let's copy the files. Let's copy the content of the directory using cp directory backup directory. So let's verify the copy backup directory. So with backup directory is the file.txt. So we completely list the content of the directory and show the file1.txt. Okay, let's move to du command. So the du command is to use is used to estimate and display the display used by files and directory. So it provides insight into how much storage each directory is consuming, which is essential for managing this space efficiently. So you can see how much space does any application is using on your PC, on your Linux. So there are two important benefits of it. Is it can storage management. So using DU can help identify large files and directory that may consuming excessive disk space, enabling user to take action to free up that space. The next one is the project oversight. So for developers, knowing the size of the project directory can help assess the impact of the files during build or deployment. So let's have a demo like this. Let's skip this one, or you can see the DUH/home/user is this command is used to display the disk usage of all files and directory within home user in a human readable format, like using size like KB, MB or GB, like kilobyte, megabyte or gigabyte. So and in the below comments, so it will summarize the total size of each items in the current directory. So let's have a demo. First, let's set up a directory structure first. CD test directory. So we're moving to test directory. So it use equal. This is test files. Equal another test files. Subdirectory so let's make the final equal. This is in the subdirectory. That's it. Subdirectory. So let's check the disk usage. Let's install this one. Oh, sorry, du slash. So you can see the size of the directory. You can see like this is k kilobyte slash 20 kilobyte. So let's see du slash ha. So you can see the files like file 1, file 2 and subdirectory. So yes, we completely done it. Let's go to the echo command. So the purpose of the echo command is used to display text and variable to the terminal, like we do it from the beginning of the video. Use echo to create readable files. It is simple yet powerful tools for outputting message, debugging script and printing variable values. So the benefit of it is there are two benefits that the user can feedback. So it allows script to provide feedback to user by displaying message during execution, and secondly is debugging. So you can use the echo to bring variable value or checkpoint in scripts to understand the flow of execution or identifying issue. It's pretty easy. I have a test, very simple test. Current user. Let's go to Khang's current user is Khang's like. So we bring this one by equal. It's pretty easy. Let's clear this one and cd. So go to home, equal current directory. Let's go to create a script to demonstrate the echo. So we will save this into the hello.h. Let's create another one. So this will bring the echo hello from the script. Hello from the script. This into hello.h, and last one the ch mode. X hello. So let's run hello h. So hello from the script. So we completely run the hello. Let's go to the final command is the find command. So the find command is used to search for the files or directory in a specified location by on various criteria such as name, type, size, or modification date. Is one of the most powerful commands in the locating files in the file system. The benefit of it is flexible searching, so you can specify complex search criteria, allowing you to use or you can find exactly what you need without knowing the exact path or file structure. The bulk operation, so you can use the bulk operation to be combined with on the command to perform action on the files. The purple of the files. So we can use the command find home username, print the star.txt, search all the txt files within the home user directory and its subdirectory. Explanation of this one is to file files in the var log directory that were modified in the last Midterm 3 7 days. Let's have a demo. Let's run a small demo of this. Let's set up a directory structure to test the files. Let's use touch. One.txt. Touch. One.txt. That's fine. That's fine. 3 dot log. It's already created the test. Oh, sorry. Let's create test. Test file 1.txt. Test file 2.txt. File is touch. Test file 3. Log. Okay, let's find test file. Name all the txt files. txt files. Whole name, maybe the whole name. Oh no, it's just a name. I want the whole name. It's fine. Wrong syntax. Okay. Fine. Yes. Fine. And time. One. See. Completely done this one. So that's all. Before ending, I will tell you about the conclusion of basic common. So mastering these basic common equip you with the essential tools needed to navigate and manage a Linux system efficiently, from viewing and manipulating files to searching and modifying permission. So these common are foundation to effective system administration and usage. So about encouragement to practice is regular practice and experimentation with these common will enhance your proficiency and confidence when using the command line. So, thank you for listening.
Hello everybody, my name is Hieu. I'm from Group 5. Today I will do a presentation in the chapter 11 Command Line Method Part 1. So, in Part 3, I will focus on commands that involving manipulating files and directory, including list, my directory, move, rename, remove, and links. So, the first is the list command. This on the file and directory in the current directory. This is command. Here is some of its option and practical implementation. Here you will see on the option. I will do some demo for you. Here I'm in the present demo. Now others on the file here I have create. Here is 3 text file and folder, my folder directory. So I'm this option with this. So this option is so detailed information about file in the current directories, including file size, permission, and modification time. So next is the make directory command. This command create new directory. Here's the command make directory my folder, create a directory called my folder in the current location. It has additional option like create parent directory with P option. here, make the 3 parent folder, child folder, enable parent folder and child folder if they don't exist. Here's some options and the fact for implementation in the make directory commands. Now I will do a demo. I will create a directory called demo folder, and this you see here's a new folder called demo folder. It's right here. Next is the move command. Can move files from one directory to another or rename them. First example is to move a file directory to a my folder directory. The second example is rename a file to a new name. Now I do a demo for you. So first I will move the file 1.txt to the demo folder. Oops. And you see we have file 1 here, and now we rename it using the move command. File 1.txt to rename file txt. Now let us see. We'll rename file txt. We also have a rename command with renaming file in book, which means this command can rename multiple files based on a pattern. Here you can see the command here. It's replacing the on text file, replacing the old with the new in the file name. Here's some of it options and their practical information in renames. I will do a symbol here. I will rename the text file to the log file. Now maybe see. See in the menu. The first one is the rename file, and now it's become the rename file log. And the next command is the remove command. Just delete files or directory. And be concerned when using this command, because this command is irreversible, which means when you remove something, you can take it back. Here is command remove file delete file and here's an additional option. So now I will do a demo. I will remove the rename file log. So let's see. No, okay here. And I will do the option to remove folder, demo folder. This the option and the demo folder. So now let's see. It's only my folder here, no more demo folder. And the last one is the link commands. We create a hard or symbolic or called soft links between files. So to create our link, first link file TT, uh, file using two. We just create a hard link, name link to file pointing to the file.tt. And the second is the symbolic soft links. It's command link, and you have the option S here and file CSV symlink to file CSV. We create a symbolic link named symbolic link to file.tt. I'm doing a demo here. Here are the links. Create a symbolic link. So choose the file. Choose the and when here you see this file TT. This yeah, you see this filing now point to the file2.txt. Thank you for listening.
Hi, my name is Hong Duc. My student ID is 22IT048. I'm from Group 5 and our group midterm test is chapter 11 of the book. My part is mostly about comment search and viewing comment. So I put it advanced search and viewing comments. So the important overview of this is first is the importance of these commands. Um, Efficient searching and viewing are vital for productivity, especially when dealing with large files or extensive directories. Um, Challenge manual searching can be time consuming and inefficient, making it essential to leverage command line tools effectively. There's also the command line and GUI. Um, Command line tools often provide faster and more powerful options than graphical user interface or GUI. Um, Allows for automation and scripting, making repetitive tasks easier. So today our key topic to be covered is command grep, which is a powerful text searching tool. Find is a comprehensive file search utility. Less is an effective file viewing tool for large document. And locate is fast file finding using the preview database. Uh, Also, I will touching the combining command, which is a technique for chaining command to enhance the functionality. So together, these command enhance the productivity and efficiency in managing and accessing data on the command line. They empower the user to perform complex search and view large files effortlessly, making them invaluable tools for anyone working with a command line interface. So, what is GREP? Um, GREP stands for Global Regulator Expression Print. Um, it is a command line utility for searching plain text using regular expression. Um, The basic syntax is grep option pattern file. The option is a modifier that alter the command behavior. Pattern is the text or regular expression to search for, and file is one or more file to search through. Um, I will get a demonstration of it uh, right now. Okay, so right now I have a file called command slash dot log. Show it right here. So this is the content of this text file. I will use the grep to find the thing that I want. So this command right here is a web error. It's so this here, the error is the pattern to search for within the file. This part right here, the command here is the file in which to search for the pattern, and the output of this command will display all the lines containing the words error, showing the potential issue log. Um, it's really right here, and here. Yep. Uh, Next is the command find. The definition. So the definition is find is a command used for search for files and directories in a directory hierarchy based on uh, various criteria such as name type and modification time. It is essential for locating files quickly and efficiently, especially in a large directory structure. Um, the basic syntax for it is find path, option, and expression. Um, some of the common options are slash name, which is search by name, in names, search by name with case insensitive. Slash type will filter the file type, and slash time or slash c time will search by modification or change time. So I will demonstrate it on the terminal. I'm using a Pop OS right now. Hopefully that's fine. Command for find is yeah. So this command right here, find is a command for searching file in a directory hierarchy. The dot here is indicate the current directory as the starting point for the search. The slash name will specify the name of the file to search for, and the output will display the path to this file right here if, if it is found. Um, Next is the less command. Um, less is a command line utility for viewing the content of file one string at a time. It is uh, it is particularly useful for navigating large files without opening them in an editor, allowing user to scroll through the text efficiently. Um, the basic syntax is less than file. Um, some of the navigation commands are space is to move to the next page, B is to move back to the previous page, slash search forward for terms, question mark is for backwards for term. There's many more, but I can only show some of them. So the less here is the command utility for viewing the file content one screen at a time. Um, this is the file to be viewed. The functionality is to allow me, the user, to scroll through the file, search, and navigate easily. So this is the this is the file here. Um, say can press space to go to the next page, but there's nothing. This is the the properties of the file, and I can just scroll the file, but this file is just a bit too small. Now we'll press Q to quit the viewer. Okay. So next is the locate combination. The locate command. The locate is a command for quickly finding files by name using a pre-built database. Um, it is it is significantly faster than the find command because it searches through an index database rather than scanning the file system in real time. The basic syntax for it is locate file name. The requirement for it is need the mlocate package and the data updated with the update database. So I will demonstrate it here. So now I will update the database with this command logs dot text file here. This command right here is to run the command with administrative privilege. The update database is to update the database um, used by the located, the including the new created file. I I just install the mlocate package. So it should work properly now. Um, so I will do the I will update the database first. Okay, so now I will do the locate command. So the locate here is the locate command is to quickly find file by the name using the pre-built database up here. Um, this file here is the name of the file I want to locate. The output should display the path to the command to this file here if it is indexed. Okay, it's working now. Here is the path um, path to the command logs if it's indexed. So um, um, so that is all the, the commands I have been received from my team. There's also the combining the commands. It is to change command to uh, change command, chaining the commands. It will a bit more complex, but it can significantly enhance the productivity and flexibility. Um, example with using the grid and the find is here. Um, this command here will find all the files in the currently directory and subdirectories and filter all those containing the report. Um, real world scenario of this is uh, web can help find specific function or error in code, uh, and the find command can help manage large project directory. The other two is the less will allow the user to read documentation file without leaving them loading them fully, and the locate helps quickly find configuration file. So in summary, mastering these advanced command grab, find, less, and locate will greatly enhance the ability to manage file and data in the command line efficiently. Um, thank you for listening. This is the presentation for the midterm test for Group 5.